Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well. Today, I'm delighted to join by Kate Marshall, who's Technical Director at ProTac Scientific and also part of the ISPE UK Southern Region Committee. And that's why we've got her on today, because she's going to talk all about the upcoming ISPE UK annual conference and dinner, which has been held in Heathrow on November the 21st. So we can learn more about ISP UK and what you can expect if you're attending the conference and, of course, the dinner in the evening. So, Kate, first of all, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Well, thank you for joining me. Now, as I said, we're going to talk about the ISP UK annual conference. But before we start talking about that, obviously, it's part of ISP, which is a much bigger organization. So, for people who are not familiar with both ISPE and ISP UK, perhaps you can give
Mhm.
us a quick overview of the organization.
Yes, of course. So ISPE, which is the International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering, was founded in 1980. So it's been around for a long time. And it's a global non-profit organization, not just for pharma engineers. It's also about the pharma industry as a whole and about professional community, including academics, vendors, regulators, and industry professionals. So today there's approximately 21,000 members across 129 countries. And the members volunteer and support and network the vision for ISPE for shaping the future of pharma, as well as their mission to connect pharmaceutical knowledge. So in terms of the UK chapter, it's a very active part of this network and hosts a lot of technical and soft topic webinars, lots of training, site visits, workshops. And there's a conference that takes place in the summer, as well as the annual conference that we're talking about today, as well as some socials such as Pharma Fest as well. We're also really active in the community of practice space. So there's two new technical community of practices that have been added for Pharma 4.0 and CQV that joins the existing one for GAMP. And we've also got a fourth one coming for sustainability, as well as emerging leaders for young professionals starting their career in pharma and a dedicated Women in Pharma group, which I'm a very active part of and very proud of as well.
Fantastic. All right. So, as you said, you've got two events, one in the summer, which I sadly missed, and you've got one coming up
Yes.
this month. So, very quickly, because you had the summer event. So, how does the summer event differ from the annual meeting that you have in December, apart from the timing, of course?
So the summer event tends to be a summary of the regulatory updates for the year. It's got a quite a different focus to the annual event. We tend to have more of an area of a topic for the annual event, and we also have the annual gala dinner awards ceremony. So it's quite a big event in comparison, but it gives the opportunity for the pharma community to really get those updates and share that knowledge of what's happening in the industry.
Right, brilliant. And so let's talk about the annual event that you've got coming up. So you said it normally focuses on one topic. So
Mm.
what is the core topic that it's looking at this year?
So the topic that we chose for this year, and yeah, again, very proud to be part of the organising committee for this, is looking at navigating tomorrow's pharma landscape. And as we've seen, the UK continues to compete and lead in the global pharma market. So we're emerging from this huge global change and all the challenges born from the pandemic, it's really seen that companies have to shift to be innovative and bold to navigate this. So it's opened up a lot of opportunities, but the goal of this conference is really to share and show those insights into where these innovative and bold moves are coming from within industry.
Right, okay. Now, I was lucky enough to be there last year, but a lot of people may not have attended before who are watching this. So, to give you a sort of feel for it, what's normally the structure of the day for the annual conference in terms of how's it structured in terms of the talks, and also understand you have a exhibition running alongside it as well.
Yes, so there's over 40 vendors that will be there to be in the exhibiting hall, which gives the opportunity for attendees to really look at what technology is out there that can support their activities. So the day is sectioned up into topics of key areas of interest of hearing about projects. We've got some really good projects linked to cell and gene therapy, multimodality, manufacturing, and sustainability. And that will be sectioned throughout the day with the opportunity to visit the exhibitors. We're actually running a scavenger hunt this year with some prizes available for really having that engagement with the exhibitors. And we also this year have a workshop which is going to be on the workforce of the future. So we really found it important to be focusing on these are the things that you should be looking at and doing, but how do you actually support the workforce to achieve this? So we've got a special workshop on that, which will be delivered by the Women in Pharma and Emerging Leaders.
Fantastic. All right. Now you mentioned you have the dinner. Now last year it was a black tie. Is there a black tie? I'm only asking whether I need to get dinner suit, so that's the reason I'm
You
asking.
will.
Oh
Yes,
dear.
it's
All
black
right.
tie again.
All right. So I know you have a number of awards as well at the dinner. So what are some of the awards that you give out at the dinner?
So there's awards for the volunteers and really for the UK to celebrate how our volunteer network works and awards across that space. But also in the UK, we're the only area that actually awards and celebrates the emerging leaders and have a dedicated award system for that as well.
Fantastic. All right. Now, so final question for you. If someone hasn't signed up yet and they're in the UK within UK Pharma, two questions actually. Why should they join ISP UK? And
So
subsequently, why they should be at the awards as well.
absolutely. So, I mean, it's a both questions can be answered. It's just in one because it's just a fantastic opportunity either way to really hear from industry leaders, regulators, and end users, and as well as vendors and academia as well, and really being able to understand what can help the day-to-day work in the pharma industry. So signing up, you just get this network of people that you can tap into to find out and get a 360 view of the industry. So endless possibilities for networking at the event, but also after as well. So
Brilliant. Fantastic. All right. Well, look, Kate, hopefully I will see you then in person
yes.
on the 21st. And I now have to order a dinner soup. My other one's too big for me, thankfully. So, but there you go.
Good.
Yeah. So if you have not already signed up for the ISP UK annual meeting and conference and dinner, then please click on the link which is going to be above the video here and learn more, and you can sign up there. And obviously if you don't belong to ISP UK, you want to learn more, click on the link there as well and learn more about the organization, and hopefully I'll see you in person on the 21st. So Kate, it's lovely to meet you. Hopefully I'll see you, as say, in a couple of weeks time.
Good to
And
see you too.
yeah, and viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.